Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Amirul Fikri bin Muhammad Syam. Our group consists of 4 people: Muhammad Nazrin bin Rahim, Muhammad Aizat Syamil bin Zulkifli, and Muhammad Al-Afif bin Ahmad. Today, we want to present our group project, Radiator Service Workshop Sendirian Berhad. It was established on 9 April 2020. It was located at Air Melaka. Operation day on Monday until Saturday 9 am and 6 pm. Our Chief Executive Officer Muhammad Amirul Fikri bin Muhammad Syam. General Manager Muhammad Al-Afif bin Ahmad. Mechanic Muhammad Aizat Syamil bin Zulkifli. And last one, Muhammad Nazrin bin Rahim. Our vision is to grow rapidly as a radiator workshop that is 100% Bmmf and offer affordable and achievable price as well as efficient service that meet and follow the needs of customers. Mission: do the work with enthusiasm and trueness to ensure that the work can be implemented successfully without any defect or small mistake. The quality of service and sale is guaranteed to satisfy the customer with every installation work done on the car without a doubt. Objective: reduce the occurrence of radiator problem by doing it efficiently and well. To assist the public in providing service to make and service problematic radiator with quality and reliability. Selling good quality radiator at reasonable and affordable price. Promising efficient and quality to customer. To enlarge and further expand this company to be known by the public as a company of high quality and no doubt the result of its work. To become a specialist radiator workshop. Owner and staff background. Chief Executive Officer Muhammad Amir Fikri bin Muhammad Syam have 3 years of work experience at radiator workshop, has a bachelor degree education in automotive technology at University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. General Manager Muhammad Al-Afif bin Ahmad has an experience in the field of vehicle repair for 3 years as a mechanic and 2 years as a manager. Has a bachelor degree education in automotive technology at UTM. Mechanic Muhammad Aizat Syamil bin Zulkifli has an experience as a mechanic for 2 years. Has a bachelor degree education in automotive technology at University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. Lastly, Muhammad Nazrin bin Rahim, a fresh graduate student and has a bachelor degree in automotive at University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. Next, we continue with organization chart. Our Chief Executive Officer is Muhammad Amirul Fikri bin Muhammad Syam. General Manager Muhammad Al-Afif bin Ahmad. Mechanic Aizat Syamil bin Zulkifli. And last one, Nazrin bin Rahim. That's all for me. We continue with others.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Al-Afif bin Ahmad. Theory references. Our theory references inspired by RBM Radiator Specialist. Next is Key Performance Indicator or KPI. As you can see, this is our graph for KPI 2023. Strategy and resources to achieve this KPI is: first, make promotions on the social media. Second is advertise company promotions. Third is expand contact with other business partner so that they know the promotions was offered. Four is offer a nice package to the customer, and lastly is provide the best facilities to customer. Next is human resource. In our human resource, we include technical training, safety training, and staff evaluation. First is technical training. For general manager, we include communication training, planning, Emotional intelligence in the workplace and leadership training. For mechanic and staff, we include training for diagnosis system, time management and skill training. Second is safety training. There is first, workplace ergonomics. Second is fire safety. Third is workplace violence prevention. Fourth is employee health resources. 5 is environmental safety. And last is equipment safety. For staff evaluation, our company conducts employee appearance based on employee performance every 3 months. They are rated best by skill, discipline, leadership, sales generated, and manners. Next, we are into quality system topic. That is plan and process layout. As you can see in this slide, this is our company plan and process layout that can be understanding and read by the symbol and meaning that have been prepared.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aizat Syabir bin Zulkifli, and I will be presenting about quality system. The first one is line balancing analysis. The first process is customer refer to service advisor, and then supervisor check the vehicle condition. So the supervisor write a report about the vehicles, and mechanic take the report and repair the vehicles. After that, mechanic list the item that need to change and give the list to the spare part department. Next, mechanic take the part and change the part, and supervisor do the inspection. And lastly, customer make the payment and take their vehicles. Okay. And next is 5S. Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. For Seiri, to separate needed tools, part and instruction from the unneeded material and remove the unneeded ones. Seitan is to neatly arrange and identify parts and tools for ease of use. For Seiso, to conduct a cleanup campaign. Seiketsu is to conduct Seiri, Seitan, and Seiso daily to maintain a workplace in perfect condition. And Seiketsu is to form the habit of always following the first 4S. Next is SOP procedure to change the radiator. First, we inspect or replace, and next is we drain the radiator. After that, we disconnect the radiator and remove the old radiator. And we mount the new radiator, add a coolant and bleed the air from the cooling system. For SOP, safety, change the radiator is first, we always use a personal protective equipment or PPE, and never open radiator cap and change radiator when engine is still hot, and make sure there are no items that can conduct electricity while doing the works and of changing the radiator. And lastly, make sure no object or anything is obstruction while doing the works. And for the Kaizen system is first we identify the problem and think of a solution. Reality check, like employee and discuss knowledge with supervisor and make change. Supervisor review the idea within 24 hours and encourage immediate action. Verify and make improvement. Employee implement the idea and final check. Supervisor made some quality check. And for machine downtime management, the type of our equipment is radiator flush, pressure washer, pressure test, air compressor, tools and spray. For radiator flush and pressure washer, it need to be serviced annually, and pressure test it need to change for every 2 years. For air compressor, it need to be serviced for every 6 months, and tools we have to change it every 4 years, and spray it should be renewed every 6 months.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazrin bin Rahim, and I'm gonna continue this project presentation. Now is quick changeover concept. There are 6 fundamental steps of quick changeover. First, we observe a changeover. Second, we identify internal and external element. Third, we separate external element. Then we shift internal to external. Next, improve internal element. Lastly, we improve external element. The next is environmental issue. First, defect. There is tool damage and item stored too long. Second, overproduction. Demand from customer is less clear, inaccurate guesses with the desired target, and poor planning. The third is waiting. Unplanned downtime or idle equipment. Use a long time in making preparation. Confusion and lack of communication. Fourth is non-utilized talent. Deficiencies in terms of management. Lack and unable to work in group. Poor communication and poor effective marketing system. Fifth is transportation. Lack of vehicle, unexpected vehicle problem, late delivery, and poor scheduling. 6. Inventory excess. Defect and damage to inventory, unsystematic inventory layout, lost inventory, and lack of storage space on inventory. The 7 is motion. Poor workshop layout, poor workplace layout, unsystematic equipment retrieval place. And lastly is excess processing. Confusion and a lack of communication, lack in terms of knowledge in business, a wrong guess in terms of the prediction quantity, excessive information. Okay, this is a feedback form we give to our customer. Okay, next is quality solving using SQDCM method. For safety, make sure door always locked after all the workers went home. Always clean up the floor. Follow the SOP and wear proper attire. Next is quality. Using high quality spare part. Provide a good service to customer. Also, ensure that the work can be implemented successfully without any defect or small mistake. Next is delivery. Provide better delivery service. Make sure the delivery is always on time. Inform the customer if the delivery will be late or having problem. Use durable equipment. Find a supplier of spare part that can give affordable price. Stock some food and water at the waiting area for the customer. Next is morale. Use a product name that's simple and easy to remember. Give a great service to the customer so the customer can give a recommendation to others. Know the current price of the service and the product in the marketplace. Next is quality solving using Pokayoke method. The defect is there is no label on the place of the toolbox, which make the item mixed and untidy. Resolve it with prepare and label the toolbox so that it can be stored in the right place neatly. Okay, the conclusion of this project is this project made based on the business proposal to run this radiator service workshop. This workshop was inspired when they saw by themselves that many vehicles nowadays have radiator problem, and they aim to reduce vehicles that have radiator problem. Lastly, we use various elegant methods such as line balancing analysis, 5S, SOP, Kaizen system, and others. We hope this business can be popular and become one of the best workshops in the state. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.